Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Sasuke step by step with a simple pencil. Okay guys, let's start. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. And now go to the drawing. First, we start drawing a circle. Why a circle? Because circle is the shape that look more like a face, anime face, a human face. Okay. That line is the middle of the circle. That other line is the top of the eyes. And now this is the limit of the eyes. That's so easy. Now let's make the Sasuke face. This is the nose line. Now the distance between eyes is another eyes. I hope you have that information in your brain. Okay, now the neck. The clavicle, that helped me a lot to drawing the torso. That give me like a guideline. Yep. For drawing the nose is just 2 lines and the mouth is another line. Okay, let's continue drawing the eyes. Now guys, it's time to the hair, the lock of hair. Pay attention about the lock of hair because it's really important when we are drawing Naruto characters. If you want, you can pause the video and watch closely the lock of hair. And pay attention about the distance of the hair. That Sasuke look amazing. I really like drawing because when I'm stressful, I'm drawing and I feel fantastic. Now it's time to the close. The close is so easy. You only have to follow the lines. That is all, my guys. And now, guys, it's time to add details. And we again and here we have the final result of our drawing, Sasuke Uchiha. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Don't forget to give me a nice like and give me a cute comment. See you next time. Bye bye.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it, how come I haven't hit it?